Before working, safety first. Before working, safety first. You have to know.
You have to know.
You will get fatal hazard, so be careful.
Be careful.
So be careful. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Fire! Wait. What are you doing here?
What happened?
You have to read. You have to read BNBC NEP rules.
Why?
There has mentioned safety rules regulation. So read outro.
Okay.
So read outro.
Yes.
So before working, safety first. Before working, safety first. You have to know. You will get fatal hazard. So be careful. Do you know 25 milliampere current can kill you?
Yes.
Do you know?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So be careful.
Be careful.
So be careful.
Be careful.
So be careful.
Be careful.
So read outro.
Read outro.
So read outro.
Read outro.
Understand?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Now?
Alhamdulillah, I'm okay.
Alhamdulillah. So, is there has any electricity at first? Be sure.
How?
Do you want to know how?
Yes.
Using tester. Using gloves. Check by tester when turn on the face. Don't check like that by your hand. Check by tester. Understand?
Yes.
So before using any testing tool, make sure it is working, even it is tested.
Okay guys, if fire occurs, what do we have to do? We must have fire extinguisher, fire safety ball, fire blanket and other fire safety tools.
How to use fire extinguisher?
So to use the fire extinguisher, we must follow one rules. The rule name is PASS method. Means PASS. So what does it mean? So P means the pull out the pin. Number one, the pull out the pin. Number two is A, right? A is aim to the fire. Okay. Number three is S, right? Yes. S means the squeeze the lever. And number four is S, means sweep the nozzle. Okay. So now we will make one test. Okay. So make fire. So you can see there has fire, right?
Yes.
So for him, please show him. Okay.
First of all, we pull out the pin and then aim the nozzle to the fire, and then we squeeze the lever and sweep the nozzle side by side. That's all.
So there is another alternative to extinguish the fire by the fire blanket. So hold the lace, turn out the blanket and cover it up.
So
Okay.
Okay.
No oxygen will be entered. Okay. Class.
okay, tell us. Alhamdulillah, now we are safe now. So yalla habibi. Go.
go,
Inshallah,
go.
next route. Inshallah. Okay, bye. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.